Oh my gosh. Okay, hi. Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. We've been out walking the neighborhood, and I think I burned out 2 bird dogs. Here's one. Not moving. Here's the other one. She's got her right paw bent under her with her head propped up. Her left paw is curled around, so she's making a pillow. She's off the bed. There's her little dog bed. She's off the bed. Her leg is up here somewhere, extended. Oh man. So I guess here's a tip. Don't burn out the bird dogs too much. Don't go too far. That's my tip for today. Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Don't burn out the bird dogs. Like this video, make a comment, make sure you share it. This is a valuable tip. ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Come visit us. Bye for now.